In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 95 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 9. We know that 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract, we get 1. As 1 is less than 2, that is why we will bring down this number 5 here. Now 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract, we get 1. Now see that 1 is less than 2 and there is no number to bring down here. That is why we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. Now we know that 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 95 divided by 2 is equal to 47.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.